हेलो दोस्तों, आज फिर से आप लोगों के साथ एक नया फ़ोन लेके आ गया। इस मोबाइल की पूरी डिटेल्स वगैरह सब कुछ इस वीडियो के अंदर मिल जाएगा। अगर वीडियो देखने के बाद इस मोबाइल आपको पसंद आती है तो आप लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पर मिल जाएगा, आप बाय भी कर सकते हो। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नया है तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिएगा। इस तरीक़ा का जितने भी गैजेट वीडियो आएगी सभी कुछ आपको मिलते रहेगी। चलिए वीडियो देख लेते हैं।
Presenting the Nokia G20 smartphone. The product comes in blue color and also available in silver color. The phone comes with a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. The memory is expandable up to 64 GB and allows for seamless multitasking. It supports dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The smartphone comes with a Nordic design of 6.5 inches HD plus screen with 1600 into 720 pixels resolution that delivers vivid colors and clarity. It has a 21:9 aspect ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate with a teardrop display and a brightness boost. It features side fingerprint sensor and face unlock. It has a 48 megapixel quad rear camera with powerful AI imaging modes and OZO audio. Powered by Android 11 operating system with MediaTek G35 octa-core processor, this makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone has a 5050 mAh lithium-ion battery with 5V 2A charging. The box includes Nokia G20 device, Type-C USB cable, charger, quick start guide, SIM pin, pre-applied screen protector and a protective case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail.